Andre guys. Para iyaha guys.
You've got some explaining to do.
Balik 50 ni Kapin. Kang Andre. Ya ako siyang kono.
You should have seen him in Bureau. Tarzan showed up.
Ay, ano man mo?
He didn't even know it hit him.
Wala naman, palit ko. Chong, palitin ni siya, Chong kao.
What were you thinking?
Palitin ni siya dito na, napay bata dito nga.
You see, Jane, when your father's mixed with the shamans,
Ato sa ning kang Andre ni, para ugma ning party niya. Anak ko na lang ang i-stipan na i-stickler kay. Magyapon ilahang oras, alas 9 sila adto.
no, you were showing off. You took a big risk.
Grabe sa kang maestra ni Juan ay kay dugay kay human maestra nimo lang.
Jane,
Dugay kay
you
human
have to understand. No one else
maestra.
Don't you think my father should know?
Uy, noon sa di ka oy. Ay, kalit lang bata ay, kalit lang niya.
Dangerous for Tarzan.
Not just for Tarzan.
Ayaw bakaon, palit na ta bakaon ha. Palit na to hindi supol ba siya nako. Anak chimchim ba kanang na anak ko. Spoil ba ni siya nako god. Spoil niya ako anak. Kiss na ba? Langga na eh. Kiss na langga na. Iya kwaon ng kadang pagkaon ko unya ra kay palitan ng kadako.
My grandfather sends his regards.
Para ni kang Andre guys. Andre. Akong gikuan.
Oh, the jungle animals use strong sense to keep others away.
Ako li naon bukuso lang ayo kay kiat ring naong Andre baya.
I smell something
Kalang sila linga kay ba.
odd.
You mean besides your feet?
What do you smell, little
Andre.
Whenever it was, I've lost it. But something here isn't right.
Kuan man nila 19, 18.
Take a look around.
Ay 19 malaya kang arka kay 18 man.
Oh,
Nagsunod raw kang
those
God.
look delicious. May I? Thanks. Empty. Empty. See what's behind door. Bingo. Stuffed mushrooms?
Get out of here.
I don't know what it was you smelled, but those two guys in the library were definitely up to
Oh, dala oh.
Did you hear that?
Thank you for watching.
I'm sorry. Quick, follow me.